Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the basics so updates run smoothly. Connect to Wi-Fi, and once done, plug the phone in if battery is low. Now open the App Store immediately. Don't go through settings first. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID because updates require authentication. If prompted, enter your password or use Face ID. These steps prevent interruptions and save mobile data, so you can update multiple apps quickly and reliably Once the App Store is open, tap your profile icon at the top right to reveal your account and the updates area. Pull down on that screen to refresh. This forces the store to check for the newest versions. You'll see a list with update buttons and change logs explaining why an update matters, so you know if it's security, feature, or bug related. Decide whether to tap Update All for convenience or update apps individually to control bandwidth and avoid lengthy installs. After you start updates, watch the progress on each app icon. You can tap an app to pause or resume if needed. To avoid repeating this, enable automatic updates in Settings App Store. This handles future installs on Wi-Fi. If an update stalls, try a quick fix. Restart your iPhone, sign out and back into your Apple ID, or free up storage space. These steps clear common glitches. If that fails, delete and reinstall the app as a last resort, since it preserves account data for most apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.